Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I make my oha soup, and these are the ingredients I'll be using for this soup. Here you have your uziza leaves, then you have your oha leaves. I've already removed the stick. So I'll be using a mix of yellow and red pepper here. Then we have dry fish and some stockfish, crayfish here, your ogiri seed straight from Anambra State. We actually have the best ogiri. I give it to your keepers. Then you have your cocoyam. I cooked this and pounded it already. Here you have your banga liquid. The last time I made oha for stew, I had to bring out some portion because I knew I was going to make oha soup soonest. Then we have beef shaki. Get cooking and make this finger licking yummy oha soup. Keep on. So inside your pot, add your meat, your assorted meat, your beef and all that. Season it and add salt. Let this cook for a while before you proceed to the next. After adding this, we just cover the pot and allow the cocoyam break into the soup. It's real. At this point, you will be perceiving the aroma from the soup and your ogiri. This is one of the most important ingredients for this recipe. Don't mind the color, but your whole house is smelling of the rich flavor from oha soup. Remember, this is the time for you to adjust your seasoning, like your maggi, your salt, and any other thing, pepper and crayfish. Adjust it before you add in your vegetables. Time to add our vegetables. Then we add our salad and your oha leaves. Just with water if you need to. It's hot water. Your oha soup is ready. Bring your apple or semo and yellow garlic, anywhere you want. It's ready.